This is my WebRTC Lights project. The first thing to say is it's got absolutely nothing to do with telephony, so I apologise about that. First thing, what are the lights? They're these things. It's an LED strip. They just take power, ground, and there's a one-wire protocol. Every LED is individually addressable. So why? It's really about the WebRTC of things. I think the RTC web protocols are useful for things other than video and audio. The data channel in particular lets you do low latency, reasonably high bandwidth. You get diverse networking, or the net stuff. You get security. And the browser is actually a great environment for developing applications. We've got access to web audio, get user media, and we can integrate easily with other web applications. So the architecture is really simple. One end there's the Chrome web browser, the other end there's the lights. It's just using data channel and WebRTC. Oops. So the prototype is just on this breadboard. There's a Raspberry Pi, which is running the Janus WebRTC gateway and with a plugin, and a small microcontroller. The microcontroller is used to basically drive the lights because of the timing constraints of the protocol. So I just said there's a Janus Lights.c plugin. At the moment, we're actually playing it over wired network because it's easier. And there's just a simple embed that's driving the actual protocol of the lights. So to try and give an actual example of it doing something, that's when it gets really brave. So what this should be doing is using get user media to get access to the microphone and then feeding it through web audio to perform an FFT and then displaying that on the lights. I don't know why you'd ever want to do that, but you can, and it's cool. So another example of what you could do. So it's very command line, but in JavaScript console. So this is using the video from the camera and should be displaying it on the lights. So if it's something a different color, I could show different colors. But yeah, not a very useful display. It's only one line, but again, you can imagine using it for something. A slightly more realistic example is perhaps using Matrix, where you want to notify if you don't happen to have a particular, you don't have the tab open, you want to know you've got a message. So in theory, if this works, if I get sent a message when I'm not viewing the page, the light should flash to tell me I've got it. There, they go red. So, so that's pretty much it. It's just a simple hack. Any questions?
Cool. Excellent. Thank you so much, Nick.
Thanks. Thanks, yes.
Can I ask the question that everybody's dying to ask, which is, where can you get the lights and how much are they?
About £30 on eBay.
Why don't you unroll the full length?
Yeah, we could do.
Yeah, it does say on the packaging, if you look, if you do not unroll this to full length, they will blow up.
Oh.
There's a little fuse at the end.
Warning.
You said they're
Kill it.
individually addressable?
Yes.
So you could actually have like a whole strip for Matrix with your sort of status of all your contacts and then have a giant status board like wall length.
You could if you wanted to. That's next year's one, yeah.
So the video, were you changing each of the pixels, or were you just doing an aggregate?
No, each pixel. So it takes a scan line across. Yep.
So if you had sort of 700
Yeah, you can have a nice big telly. Yeah.
drop building.
If you dropped it slowly and change the scan line, you could like do it in
You could, yeah.
Any other questions? Matt?
Yep.
So is that room there public on Matrix? Or
It
is
is.
that a private one-to-one chat with...
No, it's public. It's a it's a federated server. You'll need to talk to me. It's not a public room. Yeah. So I'm at neilsmatrix.binaryfen.com.
Okay.
So try and send a message to
be
us.
honest, Neil did share that with me with the dangerous effect of potentially having me playing with his demo whilst he was trying to give the demo. But he was comfortable you'd be asleep.
Or at least looking down.
I was just looking down.
Any other serious questions? If not, again, Neil, that was excellent.
Cool.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.